Go to your Canva and open the project in which project you want to add or import a YouTube video. Now go to your YouTube and open the video. Click on share and copy the YouTube video link from here. Also, you can copy the video link from this address box. Now go back to your Canva project and then press Ctrl V and your YouTube video will embed in your project just like this. Now you can resize your video. Click this play button to play the YouTube video here. Now let's see the second method to add a YouTube video. In this left-hand menu, click on Apps. In the search apps, type here Embed and add this Embed app. And here, select YouTube. Then click on this pencil icon to edit the link and paste here your video link. Then click on OK. And then your YouTube video will embed in here.